how to change your Fortnite name on PS5. So changing your Fortnite name on PS5 is actually done through your Epic Games account. Not directly on the console, but on the website. So go ahead and open Epic Games into your browser and then sign into your account. Click on your account icon at the top right of your screen and then select account, and that will take you to your account settings. So once you're on your account settings, make sure that you sign in to your Epic Games account through your PlayStation account. And here, head over to the settings tab, and then on the display name, you'll find this pencil icon at the right side of your current display name. Click on that pencil icon to change your display name into your preferred display name. So in here, go ahead and enter the name that you want to use for your Fortnite account. So you need to change your Epic Games account directly to change your Fortnite name. And that is how you can basically change your Fortnite name on PS5.